For finding the total percentage gain or loss on a stock portfolio requires a few simple calculations. In this video, you'll learn how to calculate profit and loss of a stock using Python. For example, on January 1st, 2021, you'd like to invest $1,000 in Microsoft stock, and you'd like to know after 4 months what the total value of the stock is and your profit or loss. Note, and this is just a disclaimer, the material in this video is purely for educational purposes and should not be taken as professional investment advice. Invest at your own discretion. A profit and loss is calculated by totaling all of a stock revenue sources and subtracting from that all the stock expenses that are related to revenue. The profit and loss statement details a stock financial performance for a specific period of time. Looking at the Python code, we start by importing the libraries. We selected the Microsoft stock and made an investment of $1,000 at January 1st, 2021. We do not include any extra costs, fees, or taxes in our profit and loss calculations. The first step is to get historical stock data using the pandas, the web data reader, and Yahoo data source. Second step is to plot the data to get an overall look at the stock performance. The next step is to calculate the daily stock profit or loss and show this as a separate plot. What's interesting to see is that the major part of the graph is above the zero line. Changing the graph a bit to check the total investment of the 1st of January starting at $1,000 of Microsoft shares. What's interesting to see is what the peak stock performance of the total number of shares looks like. The next two blocks of code are calculating the stock performance and percentage of the investment. Taking a long position on Microsoft stock year to date results in a profit of 11.47%. This is an example of Python code to calculate profit and loss on Microsoft stock. If you have any ideas on how to improve the code, I'll be happy to change the code and publish this in a new video. I would like to thank you for watching the video. Like to see more examples of the stock analysis code? Please leave a comment below. If you would like more videos about Python and Financial Times series, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.